Hey y'all, it's Miss G. I apologize for my camera. Y'all know that I'm already super white, and then the white background of my Canvas page makes it where you can't see me, so um, that's probably not going to change. Oh well. Anyway, so I'm going to go over today's assignment, today and tomorrow's assignment, so that way you'll have more information about what you need to get done. So this is the home screen, and I just wanted to go over real quick that when y'all get to my home screen that you are clicking on those digital learning days. And so far this is what I have published. I did not publish it yet because I'm recording the video right now. It's like Inception. Anyway, so for today's assignment, and this will carry on into tomorrow as well, you're going to start conducting the research on the topic that you chose yesterday and the thesis statement that you wrote. You're going to find one source today and one source tomorrow. That is going to be a reliable source, a source that can be trusted, that's an academic, scholarly source, to find information that will support your thesis statement and the points that you make in your thesis statement. This is, you're going to watch a video, that's the video I'm recording right now, and then you're going to complete the first half of the assignment that I'm about to go over. And that's what you'll be doing today, and then tomorrow you'll be completing the second half of the assignment. Okay, so for today's assignment, you're going to go to the second block folder in Google Drive, and you will sign into your Google account, and you will go to the shared with me, and that's where you will see the second block folder. Once you get to the second block folder, you'll go to assignments. And right on top here is the assignment. I will also attach this, a PDF version of it, but you will be working on this in your Google Drive, so it really doesn't matter. It's you'll find it here too. Okay, so for today's assignment, I already have it pulled up here. This is what it looks like here. This is, you're going to start doing the research. You only have to do the first half today. That means that you find one reliable source today. And so what you're going to do, and this is important that you follow along, you see my screen here. You are going to go to the assignments folder. You're going to pull up this document. This is a live document that can be edited, so please be careful. You are going to go to File. You're going to hit Make a Copy. Okay? You can leave it like this, Copy of Informational Research. You're going to click on the folder, and you need to back out and go into the second block folder. You need to find your name, your folder. So here's mine. You're going to hit this arrow right here, and you're going to select to put it in there. Okay? And hit OK. So now it's a document that you can work off of that is yours. Okay? So if you didn't catch that, rewind this, go back and take a look at that again. So right here, you're going to type your thesis statement into this box, and then you're going to break up your thesis statement into your 3 points. Okay? So your thesis statement should have 3 different points in it, and then you will just transcribe it here. Then you'll be conducting your research on supporting evidence from your reliable sources that will support each of those points. In the directions, I say that you need to find at least 2 pieces of evidence per point, and you need to use at least 2 sources. So that means that this MLA citation, it will probably be the same, except for, you'll have 2 different sources. So how would I go about doing this? Well, I'll go ahead and put my thesis statement in, my 3 points, and then today I would do one source with the first 3, and then my second source with the second 3 here. Okay? So, thesis statement, point 1, and then you have 2 pieces of evidence that supports that point. Alright, point 2, 2 pieces of evidence supports that point 2, and then point 3, 2 pieces of evidence that support that point 3. What happens if you want to use more than just 2 sources? Go for it. MLA citation is required for that. You may use EasyWeb to help you create your citations. I have that linked here. So you just click on that, you click on the link, and it pulls it up. You can choose your source type. This is a super easy resource to use in creating citations. Okay, so this is what you're doing for today and tomorrow. When you go to submit this, because I have to have you submit something every so often into Canvas, you will, once you finish this, that's in your folder, you're going to go to this blue share button up here. You're going to click share, get shareable link. And so on tomorrow's assignment, when you go to submit it, in that text box, you are just going to paste this link, okay? I have to have you submit stuff on Canvas, and that's why I'm doing it like this. I know that I can already see everything in the Google Drive, but it's important that I have you actually submit something into Canvas. Alright, so that is what's up with this assignment. If you have any other questions, let me know. I am here to help wherever you need help at. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so y'all have a wonderful day for today and tomorrow, and I'll get back to y'all. Peace.